If you're looking for a tool that makes IT troubleshooting easier and faster, GoTo Resolve's remote access features might be exactly what you need. But how does it actually enhance the troubleshooting process? Stick around, because we'll cover that, along with some alternatives you might want to consider for even better results. First, GoTo Resolve's remote access allows IT teams to connect to any device quickly and securely from anywhere. The major advantage here is that technicians don't need to be on site to fix issues, saving valuable time and resources. They can access a computer as if they were sitting right in front of it. This means faster resolution times and fewer delays. Next, GoTo Resolve offers excellent multi-session support. If you're dealing with several problems at once or managing multiple users, you can seamlessly work on multiple devices simultaneously. This is especially useful for IT teams who need to handle multiple tickets at the same time, minimizing downtime across the board. The third thing that stands out with GoTo Resolve is its robust security features. When remote access is involved, security concerns are inevitable. But GoTo Resolve makes sure you're covered with features like end-to-end encryption and multi-factor authentication. This gives IT professionals peace of mind while accessing sensitive systems, which is critical for any troubleshooting session. Now, while GoTo Resolve has a lot of strong points, there are some downsides. The user interface isn't always the most intuitive, especially for those who are new to remote access software. It can take a little time to get used to, and some users have mentioned that they've faced occasional connectivity issues, which is frustrating when you're in the middle of troubleshooting a critical problem. Next thing to consider is that GoTo Resolve's pricing can get a bit steep compared to other remote support tools, especially for smaller businesses or individuals. It's important to weigh the value of the software against its cost, especially when there are solid alternatives available at a better price point. The fourth thing to note is the lack of advanced features that come with some competitors, like customizable workflows or integrations with a wide range of third-party software. If you need something that fits into a larger, more complex IT management strategy, GoTo Resolve may not be the best choice for your needs. Speaking of competitors, there are other software solutions out there that might be more suited to specific needs in IT troubleshooting. For example, Remote PC and AnyDesk offer great features and more flexible pricing. These tools provide some added benefits like faster speeds, more robust integrations, and more customizable options, which might suit larger IT operations better. But wait, there's more. We're not just stopping at GoTo Resolve and its competitors. If you stick around till the end, you'll get access to an exclusive offer, a free trial to GoTo Resolve along with some amazing alternatives that could better suit your troubleshooting goals. In conclusion, GoTo Resolve does offer solid remote access capabilities, but depending on your team's needs, you might find other tools more efficient or cost-effective. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial for GoTo Resolve, plus some amazing alternatives with their own free trials that could better meet your IT troubleshooting goals. Don't miss out on this exclusive benefit